Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing assets and decisions that shape the final image. Pick a clean, high-resolution photo and immediately set canvas proportions to 16, 9, or 4:3, then crop tightly to establish narrative focus. Once done, compile 3-5 Ghibli reference images showing sky gradients, soft highlights, and rich midtones. Make sure to extract a 3-6 color palette from those refs. Next, duplicate your base layer and convert one copy to a soft-edged mask for later painterly blends. Now you reshape the photo toward that Studio Ghibli feel by simplifying forms and rethinking light. Paint with low-opacity round brushes to block large color masses, emphasizing silhouette and rhythm rather than micro-detail. Once blocked, apply color grading layers, warm the midtones, and cool the shadows while nudging highlights toward gentle pastels. Make sure to paint volumetric light beams and hand-paint rim light on foliage and characters. Finally, blend texture overlays and low-opacity grain to unify filmic depth and soften photographic sharpness. To complete the image, introduce hand-painted details that sell the style, delicate foliage edges, stray hairs, and small sparkles and highlights. Once added, unify the scene with a light vignette, a final color lookup layer, and a 0.5:1 stop exposure adjustment to lock mood. Make sure to zoom out frequently to check composition and readjust saturation if skin or sky clips. If something looks too photographic, blur hard edges slightly and repaint transitions. This troubleshooting step often restores the desired soft, illustrative finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.